In this video, I am going to show you how to explore music options on your YouTube TV free trial. If you're curious about the music-related content available during your trial, this guide will help you discover what's included. Let's get started. While YouTube TV is primarily focused on live TV and sports, it still offers some great music-related options. Start by signing up for your free trial at tv.youtube.com if you haven't already. Once your account is active, download the YouTube TV app or access it via the website. Browse the channel lineup to find music-focused networks like MTV, VH1, or B8, which often feature music videos, concerts, and award shows. Additionally, look for channels like PBS or AXS TV, which sometimes air live concerts or music documentaries. You can also use the cloud DVR feature to record your favorite music programming and watch it later. If this video helped you learn how to explore music options on your YouTube TV free trial, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.